What's up, YouTube? Today, what I'm going to show you is it's the first time I'm actually doing it myself, but we got a spray shelter made by Wagner. And what this is, of course, as you can see by the illustration here, it's for little small projects that you might want to spray paint and thing, and you don't want everything to get everywhere. So, without further ado, let's get into it. And as you can see here, it tells you what kind of things that you might want to paint, but that doesn't really matter because it's your choice of what you want to paint. And it looks pretty much like a pop-up tent, but let's don't assume. We're going to open it up. Let's see how it works, how it looks. There's some more instructions here in the bag. It's actually sold in there, so you don't have to worry about ever having to lose it or something. And it just tells you basically how to wrap it back up once you are finished with it. And they got an option here for the add a fan and filter. That's a nice option, but we'll get into that later as well. Okay. And it looks like it has, well, whoa, boy, it's pretty big, y'all. Whoosh. Whoa. All right, it's bigger than I thought. Let's step back a little bit, right? Hope that shows a little justice here. Let's get it wider. See what we're looking at here. Pretty good size, guys. Might not be able to get it all in the frame, but we're gonna do our best. Excuse me. All right. That is a pretty decent size, guys. Got the Wagner name at the top. And there you have it. Now, this bottom piece don't close up like that after it's done, but you just put it up after you're done and you don't got to worry about sealing it. I don't know why you want to seal it anyway, because it's not a tent. And remember that feature here in the back? Make sure y'all can see. Yeah, that feature right there in the back with the fan and the filter. Let me see if I can open that up for y'all. And yes, it opens up, guys. It opens up. It opens up nice. Can y'all see me through there? I don't know. But it has elastic straps here in the back for you to put your filter and a fan on one side if you choose to. Dude, that is so cool. All right, so that's what that is right there. The next video, I'm going to do some painting, priming first. Now, guys, what I actually have went on ahead and did, and I already had this made before I even had this spray shelter. But this is just to kind of keep the floor in the tent or shelter clean a little bit. I got a little piece of cardboard that fits so perfectly in there. I mean, look how perfect that fit. Not just to keep the bottom area of the tent clean, spray shelter, but you can do whatever you want.